Google Sheets is a great alternative to Microsoft Excel, but not all things are as simple as you might think they are. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can lock cells in Google Sheets.
Locking cells or cell ranges in Google Sheets can prevent unauthorized changes and protect them against any misclicks or mishaps that might happen. So for that, the first thing you need to do is actually select the number of cells that you want to make changes to. So let's say I want to protect the first half of this show. So I will select that range, and now I can either right click my selected range, go to more cell actions and click protect range, or I can just go to data and click on the protect sheets and ranges options. Now this opens up this small menu, and as you can see, I already have a range selected here. I can select more data ranges by clicking this button, but for now let's move forward with this and click the set permissions button. So now you have you can select who can make edits to the selected range. Now you can either simply show a warning when someone's editing this range. So anybody who has edit access to this sheet, every time they try to make a change, so let me just select this, change is saved. So now let's say I want to make a change to this and I press enter. As soon as I finalize that change, you see that you're trying to edit part of a sheet that couldn't be changed accidentally, edit anyway. It will ask you whether you want to edit that or not. If you click cancel, the edit is taken back. Now if you want to completely lock a specific range, just click this option again, head over to change permissions, and now you can select who can change this range. So I can either make sure that it's just me, custom, where I can add names or email addresses of the people who are allowed to edit this range. They should also have the file access, or I can just copy permissions from another range. If you have multiple protected ranges and you don't want to give individual permissions for each of them, you can just copy that. So let's say I want to add another email address. I'll just type a bogus address, joe@test.com, and click done. Alright, so now I can give joe@test.com editor permissions, and they will be able to access and edit this range, but nobody else who has editor access to this sheet or any other sort of access to this sheet will be able to make changes. Yeah, it clearly asks who can change this range. So for now, we'll just click don't share. So of course, this user couldn't load. I can just make sure that only I can edit this, or I can have warnings. You can also do this with sheets. So if I click on add sheet or range, it asks me whether I want to add a range or I want to add a sheet. Now this only has one sheet, so you can only set that, and of course you can give it accept certain cells options. So if you check this, it will ask you for a range which is currently selected. So if I go ahead with this now, or if I add another range, let's say the PSM break, that should be my second range, B27 to H27. As you can see, the range has updated there. So now anybody who has permissions will be able to change anything in this sheet except the cells that I have not protected. So these cells are free to be changed by anyone, and all of the other components in the sheet are protected. And that's how you lock cells in Google Sheets.
If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.